The Aura 8 isn't just a gyro, it's a complete flight system, and this time it's back with a groundbreaking update for beginners and experts alike. The Aura 8 that you know and love will look the same, but now adds numerous improvements to any aircraft in your fleet that we're sure will end up elevating your flying experience. This update adds some great features, especially for beginners learning to fly. The Aura 8 and Aura Pro series now offer a launch or takeoff assist in a 6-axis level assist mode for all our existing plug-and-play and open-stock Auras. These features can be retrofitted to any existing Aura and activated for free without any PC programming using our new quick flip procedure after updating to Aura Firmware v1.25. There's a lot to go over with this update, so let's get right into it. First off, this update further builds on Flex's never-ending mission of providing confidence to your flying. For beginners and intermediate pilots, Flex has introduced Launch or Takeoff Assist mode. Ever seen the Piranha Launch Assist demo? This is now possible for not just Flex aircraft like the Piranha, but is now compatible with any airplane of your choice, including aircraft taking off from the ground. After all, one of the most common problems folks relatively new to RC have when learning how to fly is taking off, and over-controlling the aircraft too. With Launch or Takeoff Assist taking care of half that battle, that just leaves one problem to address. This is where Flex's 6-axis level assist mode comes in. So what is 6-axis level assist? It's a preventative measure aimed at elevating beginner and intermediate pilots' learning experiences by keeping you out of unusual attitudes. In simpler terms, when your hands are off the sticks, the plane will return to level flight. It also limits an aircraft's bank angle to 80 degrees, and your pitch has a limit as well. This means that you can focus on learning how to climb, descend, turn, manage the throttle, take off, and land without worrying about the aircraft getting on its back and how you'll end up recovering. It's almost like driving a remote control car in the sky. It's worth noting that this system is much less restrictive compared to traditional angle-limiting gyro systems out there, as it allows the pilot much more control. Maybe you're ready to outgrow the level assist, but you're worried that you'll panic if you find yourself in an unusual attitude and aren't sure how you'll recover. That's the great thing about the Aura. You can try flying without level assist by switching into a standard 3-axis flight mode 2 or 3, and if you get worried you're getting into trouble or struggling on a windy day, simply flip your flight mode switch to go back to level assist mode, or flight mode 1, let go of the sticks, and then the aircraft will level itself. Then, you can take over and resume your flight like nothing happened. The new quick flip procedure lets you test these new features out on an old Aura without needing to do any PC or transmitter programming. With the transmitter powered off, power on the airplane, allow the gyro to calibrate, put the aircraft on its nose while keeping it still, and the Aura will detect this orientation and enable the new 6-axis level assist and launch takeoff assist features. Want to switch back? No problem. Just repeat the quick flip procedure. The best part is that this isn't just limited to Flex Innovations aircraft in your fleet. All of these new features work with any aircraft of your choice with an Aura installed. Getting in the air with this update is easy. You can start with some presets the Flex Innovations design team has deemed are a safe starting point if you're using a non-Flex Innovations aircraft. Those options are generic sport scale, generic 3D, generic jet or EDF, and generic live wing STOL. Or, for those who enjoy tinkering, you can mess with any of these and fine-tune to your desire. As mentioned earlier, existing Aura 8s can receive this update for free via the Aura Config tool. We have a video dedicated to going over how to update your Aura firmware, along with a deeper look into other features mentioned in this video. Please check out the description for a link to that video. Now, let's just talk about how easy it is to make all this work for you. At the time of this video's upload, if you order a new Flex plug-and-play aircraft, this update can be preloaded for you and ready to rip straight out of the box. No laptop setup headaches, no endless transmitter menus, just connect your bound receiver to the Aura, use the programming-free quick flip procedure to enable the 6-axis level assist and takeoff assist modes, and fly. Some future planes will even come with the 6-axis mode pre-enabled. Just take a peek at the aircraft's description on its product page to check. We've flown the new Aura firmware update ourselves, and it's rock solid. It's that invisible hand keeping things level when you're in need of it. And it's that reassurance that your aircraft will still be in one piece when you're trying something new. It's not about making things easier, it's about making things better and stress-free for those that don't have access to things like buddy boxes and instructors, or those that want to try things outside their comfort zone with peace of mind. It's the tool to transform your flying to the next level, for beginners and experts alike. Check out the links in the description to get your own Aura, or to update your existing Aura firmware today.